All right, mate. Let's look here. Have a look at Doge. It has been in an accumulation area. I honestly, I'm just not really convinced on it yet. Um, let's have a look through it. We'll start here on the yearly. I do think obviously at some point this is coming back up here. The question is, do we need to dip first before we come back up on the yearly? The yearly looks good. I think Doge will eventually surprise people by going a lot higher. Now, it really does look like it's going to do this or whatever on a new quarter. So I think I would prefer trading this on a new quarter or on a new year, whatever. And if it does flip green, I would like to get long on it. You can see it's a red 3 month candle. It's a doji candle. It's indecision. The market doesn't really know what it's doing yet. Again, the 6 month is red as well. So it's going to finish red at this point. You would have to imagine 7 days left in the year. So I would prefer, I think, at this point to be trading a new year on Doge for that push up. Now, it is moving, of course. It is, you can see this kind of where that was there. It is moving. It's green on the 2 week. There's 9 days left. It's green on the week here. 2 days left. 2 days left in the week. I mean, I would probably just say, trade the new week because it's all, unless you want to buy right now and put a stop below the weekly low. But, I just don't really see too much upside. If you really wanted, I mean, you could buy it and put a stop below here. But honestly, like I just have that feeling that you're going to get chopped out of it. Like I just have this sort of feeling that it's going to do something like that, and before a move or something. It's not a very clean pattern at this point. Maybe just trade the new year. And not sorry, I meant to say the new week there. I like trading the new year better, I think, on this, but maybe just trade the new week and see if it can get some momentum to the upside. Me personally, I would probably wait on this.